What's going on, guys? Back today with another video. We are going to be doing shop mods. The lighting in here is absolutely terrible. As you can see, we just got these and them over there. So the lighting's not very great, and we ordered some lights. This is how bright they are. 6 for $40 is not bad. We're gonna hang them up and get to improving the videos for you guys. And hopefully the lights make a big difference. I noticed the videos in the cameras. The GoPro with the lighting that we have and the blue walls, it kind of makes everything have a green tint to it. So I'm hoping by adding all these lights, it'll kind of help with the color issues. And don't mind the black eye. Happened at work. No, I didn't get punched. But yeah, so let's get into shop mods. And at the end of the video, I got a package of some parts for my bike. So we will open that up and show you guys what it is towards the end of the video. Let's get to it. What's going on, buddy? What's going on, buddy? Trying to ride some pit bikes? Yeah? Yeah? You like that broom? Does it taste good? Yeah. Hey, you want to open this box? Huh? You want to open the box? Fluffy bunny. Say hi to the viewers. Oh yeah, there you go. Anyways, so we got the lights done. We'll show you. A lot brighter. Kind of hard to tell on the camera. We can probably turn them off and turn them back on to show the difference here.
I'll probably do them to the light switch.
So this is with no lights. Well, them two lights, but now you can plug them in. That's with 2.
Get them wired to the light switch.
4.
Get the battery.
5. So that's with 5. We have 1 extra. We're gonna get 6 more and do the whole room because I think it's just a lot of light in one little area and kind of distorting the camera a little bit. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Big difference. Should be a lot better. But we are going to open this package that I got for the pit bikes, and it's going to kind of reveal some of the build plans for both bikes, essentially. My brother might not use some of what's in the box, or he might, depending on how things work out. But yeah, let's get this box open. Just trying to save money in a few spots because the graphics are going to cover them up, and I'll get them all out here and then we'll kind of go over them a little bit. So basically we are going to be doing a restyle kit on both bikes. We're going to do 2010 to 20 KLX plastics, and we'll be making a video on how to do that, how to install them, how to make it work, because it is possible. And it's possible to do it with the old tank. A lot of people think you have to switch to the newer style tank, but I've done this once before on a KLX, and you can use the old tank. It looks fine. You don't even know that it's an old tank. So essentially, this fairing kit here.
The camera's black, so I can't.
No, it's still working.
I know, I just can't see.
Just touch the screen. It's cracked, but it's not broke the whole way through. So what we're going to be doing is plastic welding it, and when you put graphics on, you'll never even know that it was there. If my brother doesn't end up using some of these, then it'll be like a woods riding kit that I'll throw on when we take it in the woods. We got 2 rear fenders, factory fenders, which are a lot thicker and stronger than the old style KLX plastics. So that should be good, just in case we loop it, we don't smash the fender right away. Green front fender, black front fender, which was zip stitched. So, I mean, we'll see what happens. Then we got side plates with some DeVito Dudes graphics. I will have to buy a number plate or 2, depending on how it goes. But I'm probably going to do, if I use both kits, I'm going to do 2 different graphics. But like I said, it's up to my brother whether he wants to use one or not. I don't have a problem with that. But yeah, so hopefully you guys can look forward to a restyle kit done on the older KLX style plastics, and then all you guys who've been wanting to do it can know how to do it. I had a lot of people when I did the KLX ask me how we did it, and it's just kind of too hard to explain over messages or anything like that, so making a video on it's going to be perfect. And yeah, I think that is going to conclude our video. I don't know if you have anything you want to tell them.
No, I was just thinking though, do you think maybe these were from Danny DeVito's actual race bike?
I don't know if Danny DeVito would fit on a pit bike.
I don't know. But
He's a big old guy.
Danny DeVito's real small.
Yeah, he's short and fat like me, but
Yeah.
he's a little fatter than I am, I think. I hope. Not, man. Mirror's been lying to me. But yeah, so make sure you guys hit that like button for the new plastics and the shop mods, because we're just trying to make the environment better for you guys, because we could see before, but I think this will help you guys see a lot better. And yeah, that's it. I guess we'll have another video coming out soon on something. I don't know. But make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and we will catch you in the next one.